gonna make stuffed chard. First, I wash it with cold water, grated onion, and ground beef, bulgur, parsley, tomato paste, pepper paste. If you don't have bulgur, you can use rice too. Black pepper, couple tablespoon water, so it will soften the ground beef, and I add just a little olive oil to soften inside. Some dry mint and some salt. I only add this much. I don't add other spices. Them all. Just add some water, a little bit more water. It's supposed to be a little bit more softened then. So after adding a little bit more water, a little bit more softened, you can add grated tomato too, but I add tomato paste and pepper paste, so I don't think I will add grated tomato. I add hot water, so it will soften. We have to make leaves soft enough so we can use them. Make sure it will stay in hot water for a couple minutes. Those are soft enough. I'm just waiting them to be cooled down a little bit so I can touch them. I put thin slice of tomato to the bottom. It will give taste, and also it's not gonna burn the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to remove the stems. Just cut in the middle, big vein, then make it two pieces, and then make another half of these. If you make them already, it's going to be easy for you. Okay, the matte part, shiny part to the bottom, matte part facing to yourself. We take some stuff and put it inside. First here, then to the edges, and then roll it. That's it. Okay, there's another technique. You will just put the filling roll and use your finger, push the edges in. This is easiest way. They're ready. Now time to cook. Some tomato paste and a little olive oil. Add water, little bit on top, like this much is enough. It's actually steam pan, and I'm using top to keep the stuff chards under something heavy, so they're not gonna open. If you don't have this, you can use just like a plate, flat, and you can just cover with first on high heat until it's boiled. You will feel the boiling here. We will cover now. As you see, it's boiling and low heat, and I think it's gonna cook in about 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes. Now I'm gonna check it. Look at now. I'm taking one to the side to check it. But home smells so delicious with this smell. It still need to cook more. I take this protection, so I'm just gonna cover it and wait at this for another 20 minutes. This is homemade yogurt, very delicious. If you eat homemade yogurt, you will never like other yogurts. No artificial inside, very healthy. And I'm using regular milk with fat. If you like goat milk, you can add some goat milk too. I will teach you one more time how to do it, but I promise you, very delicious. You hold dolma, nice with yogurt on top, and garlic yogurt. So I'm gonna make garlic yogurt with this. It takes about 2 hours to cook, but I like to cook everything, especially vegetables, in very low heat, and it's very soft, delicious. And next time I will cook it in my Instapot. I'm sure it's gonna be ready in 20 minutes. Instapot come with little wire. You can put the wire on top upside down. Still gonna protect it to not to open. next time I will try, and I think pressure cook will be fine for about maybe 20 minutes, maybe less. I have to try.